China jab peps up tourism in Colombia. Leticia, Colombia. The use of a COVID-19 vaccine developed by the Chinese biopharmaceutical company Sinovac Biotech has helped reinvigorate tourism in southern Colombia. The ease of handling and administering of the shots has made them popular in the Amazonian area of Colombia, which is home to popular tourist destinations during end-of-year holidays. The Sinovac vaccine has led to low incidence of COVID-19 infections in both this municipality as well as in the rest of the Department of Amazonas, offering a glimpse of hope for tourism. That year was really fatal for tourism entrepreneurs and for commerce in general. After the Sinovac vaccine arrived in March, a huge vaccination campaign began in the municipalities of Leticia and Portonarino, the two largest towns in the department, which resulted in a rapid fall in serious complications from the illness. With all this, tourists also began to arrive as it has more than 70% of its population immunized. The most recent report from the Ministry of Health and Social Protection shows that by Thursday 99,503 vaccine doses had been administered in the less populated Amazonas department, with a total of 61,722,515 doses for the whole country.